My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. I worked at IRS over a decade. I've been on Fox Business News and other major stations. Welcome to my YouTube channel. They're short, sweet, and to the point. My M&M man would appreciate if you maybe subscribe or just give us a like. It would help us. Today I want to talk to you about if you owe back taxes, how is IRS going to check on you and check your assets? So as a former IRS agent, I've worked thousands of cases. I probably in my life worked 10,000 cases, not all certainly at IRS. But when I would get a case, or today if I would get a case, before I even went out to see you, I would go ahead and I'd Google you. I would try to find you on social media. I try to find out what you own, what you say about yourself, if you own a company, what you're saying, what sort of assets you have. Today I'd probably do Google Earth, find out where you live, find out cars you have. I would do searches just like that. Within 5 minutes I already have a picture of where you live or if you have a business. Then after that, I'd probably run a LexisNexis report through an accurate search engine, just sitting at my computer, pulls up, gives me your complete financial history for really a long time. If I find out just tons of stuff. Probably after that, I'd pull your credit report up. I'd find out how much you're charging. I would go ahead and know that what your average charges are. So I understand what your cost of living is, pretty much basically where you live, what I see you owning. So I already have something in mind what in fact that you have. Next, if I wanted, it would take a little more time. As I pull your credit report. If I wanted to, I could subpoena or summons your bank, your financial statement you gave the bank, which would probably come in, I don't know, 21 days later. I'd look over that financial statement, see what you put on there. I'd pull up your tax returns for the last 3 years. I would then, after that, I would pull up your wage and income reports that I already have on my computer and find out what you alleged or what you said your earnings in. I would pull up your corporate tax return. I'd pull up your DMV search. I would find out if you have a passport, if you've traveled. All this I could just do really within seconds at my computer. I could go ahead and subpoena the bank accounts if I wanted to, your checks. There's so many things I can do. One thing that I can do for an asset search, which is really cool, is I'd go ahead and contact your homeowner's insurance or business insurance and find out if you have special riders and you have assets or things. The only thing I can't do, as I said on another YouTube, is I can't go into your safety deposit box. However, with that said, if you owe tax, you don't pay, I can drill into your safety deposit box. So IRS has all sorts of tools today. There's very little ways that you're going to get away with stuff with all the tons of information that IRS has on you. What's really amazing is more people give themselves up on their Google and their Facebook that really you have no idea about. So when you go out, understand the agent probably knows 95% of all your life. So if you owe back taxes, these are just some of the searches that IRS is going to run on you if they want. And by the way, they don't do that on every case. I don't want to scare you. I'm not here to do that. I'm just explaining to you what they can do. On most cases, they're probably only going to do maybe 10% of this. But the larger dollar you do, the more diligence, especially if you're saying you can't pay money. If you can't pay money, you can expect a lot more searches. Thank you for listening. I hope you subscribe and give me a like. Me and my M&M man give you a thumbs up.